So how can I, or do I have an example of organization or organizations where they've used SAFe as a system to achieve the business goals and results that they want and adapting and learning as they go along? The answer is yes. Now, I'm going to give you one from a financial organization, but this applies to pretty much any organization. So one of the things that, if you like, one of the patterns within SAFe is about organizing around value. So you've already decided on why you want to change. Why is it important? What is your vision? What are your values? You got alignment with the senior leadership team, and you've also gone through making sure there are no competing, if you like, change initiatives going on at the same time. And this is high priority for your organization and your CEO. So that's all given. Now, given that context, now I'm going to give you the example that I'm going to give you. So one of the success patterns in SAFe is about organizing around value. What does that mean? It means to make sure that the way we organize ourselves to help and service our customers has got minimal dependencies and hands-off and loopbacks. Now, of course, the goal is to have no handoffs, no dependencies. In most organizations, this becomes a it's a good ideal, but it's not a practical one because specializations exist, whether we like it or not. People have spent years, decades to learn something deeply, and then we have those specializations, and therefore we have dependencies, and we may need handoffs. But what SAFe does, one of the first things we want to do is to say, how do we organize ourselves? So we got a direct line to the customer. So we're not going through proxies. Here's the customer. This is what they need. And this is how we need to work together, align ourselves, if you like, in order to serve that customer with minimal handoff and delays. So that's one of the key learnings that one of the financial organizations that started on the journey through other, working with other partners and other consultants. And then we went in there and we helped them to reorganize their teams to minimize the dependencies and the delays. And what happened as a result of that? What happened as a result of that is that when they planned, they achieved more of their objectives and the teams were happier because there was less stress in the system. Basically, delays, handoffs, and dependencies cause additional stress in the system. And one of the side effects of that could potentially be the work in progress growing. In other words, we are busier and busier, we are overburdened, but we're not over delivering. So that's one of the things that we managed to achieve.